Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of Immigration Fridays. I'm your host Prashanthi, and we're here again to navigate the ever-evolving maze of US immigration law. This week, we will talk about the renewal of expiring green cards and the USCIS automatic extension policy. According to this new policy, USCIS will automatically extend the validity of your green card by 36 months, provided you file for an extension. This language will be in the receipt notice. So let's discuss when you're required to renew your green card or replace your green card. If you're a lawful permanent resident, you must replace your green card if your green card is either expiring or will expire within the next 6 months, your previous green card was lost, stolen, or mutilated, you received your card before you were 14 and now you reached your 14th birthday, you have been a commuter and are now taking up actual residence in the US, you have been a permanent resident in the US and are now taking up commuter status, or your status has been automatically converted to permanent resident status. This includes special agricultural worker applications who converted to permanent resident status. Or you have a previous version of your green card and you need to update that version because the old version is no longer valid. Or your green card contains some incorrect information, or you have legally changed your name or other biometric information on the card since you last received your card. Or maybe you never received the card that was issued to you. In all these instances, you'll have to replace your green card. Now we've learned what the automatic extension is. We've learned in what circumstances you have to apply for an extension or replacement of your card. Let's discuss how to file for an extension. If you are a lawful permanent resident or conditional permanent resident, you need to replace your green card based on reasons in the when to replace your green card section. You may begin the application process for a replacement green card by filing a Form I-90. And there is a section on the website where it says when to replace your green card, and you can follow that as well on the USCIS website. So in order to file a replacement of your green card, you have to fill out the Form I-90. The I-90 form can be filled out online or it can be filled out by mail. There is a fee involved, which you can pay by credit card if you're filing it online, or you have to pay by check or credit card by filling out the appropriate form for the credit card. You can do that as well by mail. When filling out your I-90 form, I-90 form, make sure that all the information is correct and make sure you include a copy of your previous green card. Once this is done, you will receive your approval in the mail, and you'll receive a new green card as well in the mail. Now, this can take some time because the processing time for green cards, it takes a couple of years now. And that's why they've come up with this automatic extension policy. Now, when you apply for your I-90 application, you will get a receipt. And in that receipt, there will be language that indicates that the receipt and your expired green card is proof that you are a lawful permanent resident. And it indicates, the receipt also includes language which says that you remain authorized to work and travel as long as the receipt notice is presented along with the permanent resident card. So you're allowed to work, travel, do everything you need to do, just as if you had an unexpired green card. But remember, you have to use the receipt notice in conjunction with the expired green card in order to travel or work. If for some reason you no longer have your old green card with you because you've lost it, then you can go to the USCIS office and apply for a green card stamp. It's called an ADIT stamp, A-D-I-T. This you can do by basically asking for an appointment, scheduling an appointment at your local USCIS office, taking all the necessary information with you, including the receipt notice and maybe a copy of a green card that you had previously. And then they will put a stamp in the passport, and that will act as a green card. Now we've learned when to apply for a green card replacement, how to apply for a green card replacement. Let's talk a little bit about this new policy. Effective September 10, 2024, USCIS automatically extended the validity of permanent resident cards, also known as green cards, to 36 months for lawful permanent residents who file an I-90 application to replace their permanent resident card. Now, it was previously 24 months and now it's 36 months. So previously it was 2 years and now they've extended it by 3 years. This basically, the reason they've done this is because their processing time is taking longer than previously. So they want to make sure that you do not face any difficulty while your green card is being processed. Because the receipt and a copy of the old green card is equivalent to a green card and you can travel and work. With this, that's a wrap for Immigration Fridays this week. Immigration laws and processing can be complex. If you need any legal help with this new policy, please contact our team. Drop an email, prashanthi@readyesq.com, or you can call us 212-354-1010. Thank you again. Keep watching.